How do you do, Rangeroos? It's Dr. Bach, and we are going to be working on some projects today that's a little more applicable to the YouTube generation, to people who like TikTok videos, to people who give thumbs up and emojis, and that is a phone holder right here. So I know that you've done a keychain, I know that you've done a cube. Let's go ahead and make a phone holder or a tablet. Now, one of the things that you are going to have to do beforehand is take some accurate measurements of the thickness of your phone or tablet, and that'll come into play in just a few moments. So I'm going to create new, select feet and inches right here, erase our nameless faceless person right there, head over to the rectangle tool, and I am going to want to make a rectangle. Click on the origin, drag it. Now, one of the big problems that everybody faces is they click off this rectangle. If you click off this rectangle, it defines the size. I'm dragging back and forth. I haven't clicked anything. All I'm going to do is enter the number 3. And if you look on the dimensions tab, it has a 3 there, comma, 1. That is going to draw me a rectangle 3 inches by 1 inches. Now I've got that rectangle. I'm going to push pull or extrude it up. Watch the distance. I'm going to bring this up 3/4 of an inch right there. So that is my starting phone holder or tablet holder distance. Let me bring this on around so I can draw on the end, which I've got right there, and head over to the pencil tool or the line tool. Now, this one is where you're going to need the accurate thickness of your phone or your tablet. I am working on my own with a Galaxy S20 with a sweet OtterBox case. That's why I walk with a swagger. Click on the line tool, and I am going to zoom in just a little bit. And you see how it clicks on there? See how it goes from a purple triangle to little red box and says on edge. Click on that, and then you can see I can draw a line. Now, depending on what angle you want your phone or tablet held at, you can go completely vertical like this. You can go at a slight angle. Be careful about going too much at an angle because then the entire thing will fall over. For me, I'm going to go at just a slight angle. Now, if you look at the length box right here, mine is going a 1/2 inch deep. So my line is a 1/2 inch. Click on it. Now I'm going to go to the right. If you watch my length tab right here, 3/8 of an inch, 7/16, and a 1/2 inch. If you remember, my phone with the case on it is a 1/2 inch thick. So click on a 1/2 inch. The thickness of your phone might be different. Whatever the thickness of your phone is, that's what you want to work with. Click on 1/2 inch, and I am going to match that angle. See how it clicks on there on edge and the box changes? If you don't do that, you're going to have great difficulty extruding this or push-pulling it after the fact. Click on edge, and now from the end point, one more line to the end point right there. Now this is a closed shape. If you forget that top line, it's not going to push-pull out for you. Click the push-pull tool right here, and you're going to be able to see that you can select that area. If you don't have it reference the edge all the way down, all the way to the right, all the way up, and then all the way around, if you don't make an actual shape there and close it in, it's not going to allow you to push-pull. So right here, I can go to the push-pull, select this, and just channel that right on out. So what I have now is something that looks like that right there. And we are all happy. This is a basic cell phone or tablet holder. If you're working with a cell phone, the 1 inch by 3 inch works just fine. If you are working with a tablet, you can use the push-pull to extend this on out at this point if you wanted anything longer. The only thing that I ask that you do right now is save this. We are going to be working on some other videos where we're going to be modifying this, doing some holes for the charger cord and everything along that line. So right now, go ahead and save this. Stop this video, rewind, and replay as many times as you need in order to get the concept.